this is us just continuing with our series of showing you our excellent products that we sell here at Fraser Robb's. So this is a STIHL RL540. This is a scarifier which is used to take the moss out of the grass. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. So you pull the handle here and just So easy to use this STIHL RL540 Scarifier. You have 6 heights that you can for depth into the grass. The controls are so easy to use. Hold the bar, pull it, and then engage the blades, and it just pulls along through the ground. Fuel goes in here. Always good to check the oil as well before every use, and after use it's always important to give it a good clean. Another couple of features with this STIHL RL540 Scarifier is you can get a bag on the back here. So the bag will easily clips in to these hooks here, and it means you can collect all the dead grass, all the dead moss that's coming out. And also it's a blade section. So if I take you around the front here and can show you the blades that actually go into the grass. So these go in, and this is what pulls out the dead grass and the moss out of your lawn.